We've all been there. You get in your van to start the day, fire it up, enjoy the whooshy thing on the gauges, and then you get some wonky warning light. And although annoying, this particular issue isn't a big deal. First thing you want to do is carefully remove the broken bulb and get the part number. Google is also an option, but this method is foolproof. Notice I'm wearing gloves? I'll explain why in a bit. So I head on over to my local AutoZone, hashtag sponsor me, and after a bit of a treasure hunt, I find my quarry hidden on the bottom shelf. I confirm the part numbers are correct and head back out to the parking lot. I'm showing you the reinstallation of these bulbs from the driver's side because I wanted you to be able to see this tab. The process for both sides is exactly the same. So why the gloves? Gloves prevent the oils on your skin from getting on the bulb itself and causing it to explode when it gets hot, or so I'm told. Let's get back to the install. After you put the new bulb back into whatever that thing is called, you carefully return it from whence it came. You may have to back out and try a different start point like I did. Just make sure to give it a good tug to ensure it's seated properly. Next thing to do is to check our work. I hit the start button, cue the whooshy dash thing, and switch on my right turn signal. And no annoying warning light. Now let's try the left. Great success! The next thing to do is to check the bulbs themselves, and as you can see, everything's gravy. That's it! Just clean up the trash, close the hood, and admire your handiwork. And, clean the lens filter, apparently. I really hope this was helpful to you, and thanks for stopping by, y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more episodes of Lavawndah's Big Adventures. Thank you.
You want to subscribe. You want to like and comment. You want to hit the notification bell.